Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in governance sentiment at plus 0.35, paired with a momentum of plus 0.18. This is significant when you consider that sentiment has hovered around baseline levels for weeks. With 19 semantic clusters identified, it's clear that discussions are intensifying and diversifying. Our Governance Sentiment API provides you with nuanced insights, returning sentiment scores, momentum, and detailed semantic analysis based on real-time discussions. Imagine you're building a dashboard for a policymaking app. This spike could indicate a shift in public sentiment ahead of a critical vote, allowing you to adjust your outreach strategies accordingly. To dive deeper into how you can leverage our API, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's put this powerful data to work for you.